Hey everybody, I am Michael Stewart Robb, and I am here in Skopje, North Macedonia, where I just attended a spiritual formation seminar put on by my good friend Daniel Napier. Say hi, Daniel.
Hi.
And Daniel is an expert on Jesus as a philosopher, and he has done all sorts of studying about ancient philosophy as well as biblical studies, and has read Dallas Willard very well. And you don't have to attend one of his seminars in order to benefit from this, because he has just put out a book, Soul Whisperer, and it is about Jesus' way as a philosopher. If you like things like the divine conspiracy and looking at Jesus as an intelligent, very intelligent human being, then Daniel's book is one for you. So Daniel, why don't you tell them a little bit about their book?
Yeah, so our ministry in general, we like to think of as saint making. In other words, we're helping ordinary people become a whole lot like Jesus. And part of doing that is making basic sense of Jesus' way. And so this book is written to help people grasp the genius and the coherence of Jesus' way, specifically is something that we can live out still today.
Yeah, so it is a book that you should read slowly. I give it a chapter a week. Pick it up here for Christmas for somebody who likes doing this kind of thing, and really let it sink into your soul. See you later. Bye.